So today I want to talk about this interesting case of Amrita, who I am seeing for last 2 years for her increased stool frequency and blood in stool. She was diagnosed with ulcerative colitis, but with treatment she is doing very well. In the last few months she was complaining of repeatedly having some food getting stuck in the throat, difficulty in swallowing, and that was causing a lot of discomfort.
मला सिम्पटम्स म्हणजे मळमळणे, तोंडी येणे, खाल्लेलं न पचणे किंवा जेवण न जाणे हे मला जाणवू लागलं. श्वास घेता न येणे. तेव्हा मग हर्षद जोशी सरांनी इंडोस्कोपी करून बघायला सांगितले आणि तेव्हा कळालं की लेफ्ट साइडला पाउच आहे.
And endoscopy showed that there was a diverticulum, a pouch kind of thing in the upper food pipe. That is when I referred her to my colleague Dr. Shankar Zawar, who is an advanced endoscopist.
She was being adequately treated for her diarrhea, was then seen by us for this pouch which is called a upper esophageal diverticulum. In her case, it's called Killian-Jemaison diverticulum. It's quite rare to have this at this age, but quite a number of patients encounter difficulty in swallowing, and we at our center are equipped to treat them by minimally invasive methods. It's called POEM, wherein without having a stitch over the body, patient gets relieved of their symptoms endoscopically.
With his help, what we did was a procedure called Z-POEM, and we could dissect the diverticulum, and following this procedure she is doing very well. She has started eating, most of her symptoms are better, and overall she has a very good quality of life.
त्यामुळं खूप छान वाटलं आणि इवन दोन्ही डॉक्टर, शंकर डॉक्टर पण आणि जोशी डॉक्टर पण प्रत्येक वेळी मी मेसेज करू दे, कॉल करू दे, नेहमी सपोर्ट करतात, नेहमी कॉल रिसीव्ह करतात, मेसेज लगेच रिप्लाय देतात. हे सगळ्यात मोठं आहे माझ्यासाठी. आणि नेहमी मी, आई, वडील सगळेजण नेहमी त्यांचे ऋणी राहू. माझ्यासाठी तर ते दोघेजण पण असं देव आहेत. ते होते म्हणून आज मी इथे आहे.